Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of functional programming series. Use the filter method to extract data from an array. Another useful array function is array.prototag.filter or simply filter. Filter calls a function on each element of an array and returns a new array containing only the elements for which that function returns true. In other words, it filters the array based on the function passed to it. Like map, it does this without needing to modify the original array. The callback function accepts three arguments. The first argument is the current element being processed, the second is the index of that element, and the third is the array upon which the filter method was called. See below, for example, using the filter method on the users array to return a new array containing only users under the age of 30. For simplicity, the example only uses the first argument of the callback. We can see here inside filter, we are separating user based on age which is less than 30, so that we can only create an array with users under 30 as condition. The console will display value similar to this. Task for this challenge. The variable watch list holds an array of objects with information on several movies. Use a combination of filter and map on watch list to assign a new array of objects with only title and rating keys. The new array should only include objects with where IMDb rating is greater than or equal to 8.0. Note that the rating values are saved as a string in the object and you may need to convert them into numbers to perform mathematical operation on them. Let's get on with the task. Okay, we have filtered list which we have to print. Before that, let's see, we have watch list dot map inside map we will pass movie and in return we will have title movie dot title and rating movie dot imdb rating. Okay, after getting it we will use filter upon that on that array and we will again pass movie and this time we will check if rating is greater than or equal to 8.0. movie.rating and For the sake of checking, we will use parse float, and we will keep it inside parse float. Only values which are larger than 8.0 will now be shown. Let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.